This is Nisha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today's lecture is on mobile human-computer interaction. Mobile devices do not exist in a vacuum. That is, a series of networks and interconnected systems exist to support modern mobility. The utility of modern mobile devices is greatly enhanced by software applications and their supporting cloud services. So this is the mobile era. The first one is the brick era, and the next is the candy bar era, and next comes the feature phone era and smartphone era, the touch era. This is the evaluation of phones, and this shows the layers of mobile ecosystem. Each layer is depend on others to create a seamless end-to-end experience. The mobile ecosystem consists of operators, networks, aggregators, hardware devices, platforms, operating system, application framework, applications, and services. The first one is the operator. Operators are the bottom layer of mobile ecosystem. Operator is often referred to as mobile network operators, mobile service provider, mobile phone operators, or cellular companies. The role of operators in ecosystem is to create and maintain a specific set of wireless services over a reliable cellular network. Various network operators are BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Reliance Communications, Idea, Vodafone, etc. The next one is networks. Operator operates wireless network. Cellular network is a radio telecommunication network that provide wireless communications infrastructure to support mobile radio transceivers, that is cell phones, located throughout a geographical coverage area. The third one is devices, that is what you call cell phones. Cell phone handset is composed of two components. One is RF radio frequency and another one is baseband. RF is the mode of communication for wireless technologies of all kinds, including cordless phones, radar, GPS, radio, and television broadcasts. The next one is platforms. A mobile platform's primary duty is to provide access to the devices. That is to run software and services on each of these devices. Platforms are of three types. One is licensed, proprietary, and another one is open source. Licensed is the first one is license. Licensed platforms are sold to device makers for non-exclusive distribution on devices. We have Java Micro Edition, binary runtime environment for wireless, that is BREW, Windows Mobile, and Limo is a Linux-based mobile platform. Limo is Linux-based mobile platform, and these are sold to device makers for non-exclusive distribution on devices. Next comes the proprietary. The proprietary is computer software which is the legal property of one party. The terms of use for other parties is defined by contracts or licensing agreements. These terms may include various privileges to share, alter, disable, and use the software and its code. And example is Palm, BlackBerry, and iPhone. The last one is open source. Open source platforms are mobile platforms that are freely available for users to download and alter, as well as we can edit. It is an approach to the design, development, and distribution of software, offering practical accessibility to software source code. So, open source licenses must permit non-exclusive commercial exploitation of the licensed work and must make available the work's source code, and it also permit the creation of derivative works from the work itself. Application frameworks. The first layer the developer can access is the application framework or API, and it is released by one of the companies. An application framework is a software library that provides a fundamental structure to support the development of applications for a specific environment. An application framework acts as the skeletal support to build an application. And this application framework often run on top of operating system, sharing core services such as communications, messaging, graphics, location, security, authentication. And the binary runtime environment for wireless BREW gives developers a mechanism for creating, Portable applications that will work on code division multiple access, that is CDMA based handsets. This brew manages all of the telephony functions on the device, and it allows application developers to create advanced wireless applications without having to program to the device system level interface. Next comes S60. S60 platform is formerly known as Series 60, and it is an application platform devices that run the Symbian OS. S60 applications can be created in Java, the Symbian C++ framework, etc. And next we have the Adobe Flashlight, and it is a lightweight version of Adobe Flash Player, a software application published by Adobe Systems for viewing Flash content. Flashlight operates on devices that Flash Player cannot, such as mobile phones and other portable electronic devices like Chambi or Deriva. And next we have the Cocoa Touch, and it is the application development environment for building software programs to run on iOS for the iPhone and iPod Touch. The various applications are for creating applications. Application framework is used. Applications are web browser, camera, or media player. Let's see the various types of applications. The mobile medium type is the type of application framework or mobile technology that presents content or information to the user. The first one is mobile web widgets. Mobile widgets is a mobile application which gives a fast and simple access to a set of mobile widgets. These mobile widgets are a very short way to access news, fun, and a multitude of internet contents and services. The mobile website widgets create elements and containers for creating a responsive mobile version of the website. The widget examples should be viewed on a suitable device in the iOS simulator or in a desktop browser using responsive mode. The next application is mobile web applications, and it refers to applications for mobile devices that require only a web browser to be installed on the device, and they typically use HTML and Ajax. This rich mobile web application have roughly equivalent usability to PC rich web applications. Then we have simple mobile web applications, and this limit the use of technologies and are designed to present information in a readable action oriented format. This mobile web application differ from mobile native application in that they use web technologies and are not limited to the underlying platform for deployment. The next one is native applications. Native applications live on the device and are accessed through icons on the device home screens, and they are installed through an application store, that is either Google Store, Google Play Store, or Apple's App Store. They are developed specifically for one platform and can take full advantage of all the features, that is device features. They can use the camera, GPS, the accelerometer, the compass, and the list of contacts and so on. They can also incorporate gestures, that is standard operating system gestures or new app-defined gestures. Native apps can use the device notification system and can work offline. The next type of application is SMS, that is short message service. It's a globally accepted wireless service that enables the transmission of alphanumeric messages between mobile subscribers and external systems such as electronic mail, paging, and voicemail systems, and not requiring the end-to-end establishment of a traffic path. The service make use of a short message service center, that is SMSC, acts as a store and forward system for short messages. The wireless network provides for the transport of short messages between the SMSC and the wireless handsets. It also guarantees delivery of the short message by the network. The last one is games. A mobile game application is a game played on the mobile phone, tablet, or PDAs. The final mobile medium is games, and it is most popular of all media available to mobile devices. Technical games are really just native applications that use the similar platform. They are different from native applications for two reasons. One is they cannot be easily duplicated with web technologies, and porting them to multiple mobile platforms is a bit easier than typical platform based applications. Next comes the mobile information architecture. The information architecture plays a vital role in creating a well-structured navigation, the content flow, and structure of a software, website, intranet, or mobile application. Mobile devices have their own set of information architecture patterns, and the combination of organization, labeling, search, and the navigation system within websites and intranets has to be analyzed. An emerging discipline and community of practice focused on bringing principles of design and architecture to the digital landscape should be known. And the activities that is being involved are the activities undertaking in this information architecture are: one is content inventory, that is examination of an existing application website to locate and identify existing app site content. And the next one is content audit, information grouping, taxonomy development, and the last one is descriptive information creation. The first one is information architecture. Here, the organization of data within an informational space is performed. Other words, you can tell that how the user will get to information or perform task within a website or application. The second one is interaction design, that is the design of how the user can participate with the information present, either in a direct or indirect way. That is meaning how the user will interact with the website of application to create a more meaningful experience and accomplish the goals. Next, the information design, the visual layout of information, or how the user will access the meaning and direction given to the information presented to him. The fourth one is navigation design. The words used to describe information spaces is navigation design. That is the labels or triggers used to tell the user what something is and to establish the expectation of what they will find. The last one is interface design. The design of the design of the visual paradigms used to create actions or understanding sight. Thank you.